Tim from Cypress has a weak AC.
Well, his master bedroom, Tom, is 4 to 6 degrees warmer than the rest of the house.
Oh, weak.
Yeah, Tim.
Yes.
Tim writes, it's in the single-story portion of my home. He said we had butterfly valves put into the AC ducts to divert the air, but when they had their AC updated, the new guy said, you don't want to do that. Bad idea. So he says I had a handyman come and put a booster fan in the duct, but that only lasted for about 18 months. So Tim wonders if a ductless system is the answer for that bedroom.
No, a good air conditioning contractor to fix your ductwork is what you need.
Really?
Yes. Booster fans never, ever go into a duct. And these butterfly valves called dampers should be put in the proper place. And it has to be probably rechecked, static air pressures, find out how much air is going in, just redirect enough air in there so it gets cool. You don't need to have a whole new thousands of dollars system put in your house. Just get absolute comfort air to
make sure the one you have is working right.
Exactly. That's it. It's real simple.
All right, so get a competent contractor.
Yeah, handyman's not a good thing.
Nah, I think not. Handyman is kind of a pejorative around here.
You know, that fan they put in there, that's what we call beer talk.
Beer talk.
About 7 in the evening on the third beer. You know, if we put a fan in there.
Here, hold my beer. I'll put that in.
Exactly.
All right. Well, you can hold your beer and type with the other hand. Send us your questions right here at HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer them for you, as you can see in these videos. And you'd help us out if you'd please subscribe to our channel.